Health news now. The number of sexually transmitted diseases is on the rise, and social media may be to blame.
News 4's Brittany Smallwood explains how apps are connecting people in more than one way.
Health officials say people are using social media to arrange casual and often anonymous sexual encounters, and it may be to blame for the number of new STD cases.
Erie County health officials say they've seen an increase in the number of people who got an STD after hooking up with someone they met online.
Within the past 2 years, I've definitely noticed an increase in the trend. Within the past 6 months, we've really seen a larger increase.
Rebecca Soul conducts disease intervention investigations for the county. For that reason, her identity is concealed.
What we're seeing most right now is syphilis and HIV co-infection, and that's what we see mainly from the internet.
In Rhode Island, the Department of Health says hookup apps may be to blame for a spike in STDs there. The number of syphilis infections in the state jumped 71% from 2013 to 2014. Gonorrhea cases increased by 30%. Here in Erie County, officials say they've seen more and more STD cases related to social media use as well. For instance, the number of gonorrhea infections increased 10% from 2013 to 2014.
When the individuals hook up online, they don't really know much about the individual, and it's all kind of a matter of convenience.
Investigators work hard to find the partners of individuals with syphilis, HIV, gonorrhea, or chlamydia, but say it's often difficult if they met online.
They'll reach out to someone that looks interesting to them, and if they're in their area, they'll agree to meet somewhere. So it's not like you have standard information about a person.
There are times when individuals don't know their partner's real name or address. If specialists try to track down their web page, Soul says people often delete those.
We aggressively pursue all contacts until we've exhausted all resources.
Some people we spoke with aren't surprised by the trend.
I think a lot of people meet online now, and it's not anything new.
I can say from experience, but it's good, but it's also I stay away from it now because I find nothing but problems come with that.
Erie County Health Commissioner Dr. Gail Burstein says it's important for people to get tested and treated for any sexually transmitted diseases.
Also, we know that gonorrhea, chlamydia, syphilis, many other sexually transmitted infections are greatly increase the risk of HIV infection. Also, certain sexually transmitted infections can cause cancer.
The Erie County STD Clinic is in the process of trying to get approval to be on social media apps like Tinder so they can quickly reach out to people who may be infected. They're also looking into acquiring smartphones so they can FaceTime people as well. Reporting, Brittany Smallwood, News 4.